The dish that I have to recreate today is 5-spice veal tenderloin with a braised short rib. I have made similar dishes at home, so I'm actually in my comfort zone. For the 5-spice veal tenderloin with the braised short rib, I think the main pressure point will be the short rib because once it's in the pressure cooker, I won't be able to see how it's behaving. Basically, I'll be cooking blind at the point of time.
Leonard, how are you going?
I just pulled out the
You're in the middle of
pressure
something.
cooker, yeah. It's a bit stuck.
Oh, okay.
Have you burnt the bottom?
That is more than stuff.
It's never nice to have a judge come over when you're at your worst situation, but yeah, I just have to figure out how to recover from this.
Okay, Lennard, just take it out carefully.
Yep.
And
try and get that burnt flavour off, yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right.
But it's very, very salty, so I'm trying to figure out how to tone down the salt level of the beef. I start wetting paper towels and I just start dabbing all over the short rib just to remove as much of the glaze as possible. I don't know if it's going to be enough for the judges, but it's really the only solutions I have at this point in time. To be honest, I don't really know how to feel about the dish. My biggest concern is the short rib, of course, that over-caramelized in the pressure cooker. I'm just hoping that the dish tastes good to the judges. I'm hoping that the short rib doesn't hurt me too much. I'm just hoping that the dish tastes good to the judges.
What went so wrong in your cook today?
I think everything went okay apart from the short rib. I was having a bit of trouble with the pressure cooker.
Right.
It was over-reduced. I can only hope that it's not too salty.
Okay. We'll taste and find out.
Thank you.
I have mixed feeling here, I was expecting a little bit more from Lennard. We don't have this strong flavor I was expecting, to be honest with you.
I think so too. It's very average, and here it's almost like the marination is not there, and what is there is a bit burnt. The flavor we were looking for with the 5 spices, for me personally, it doesn't come out.
I'm pretty surprised too.
Me too.
Yeah.
After I ate this dish and I don't remember what I had, there's no warmth in this cooking. And I find it a little bit disappointing.